A customer of ours called in and was looking for parts for his '72 Chevelle. Well, he's kind of in the middle of figuring out if he wanted to put parts on his car or sell it. So one of Speedway's big goals for 2018 was to actually find a '70s muscle car project to showcase new parts. So we set up a time to look at the car. This thing was completely solid. I mean, this thing was in beautiful shape. It was a one-owner car and it was all original. So that day, we made the decision to go ahead and purchase the car because this was going to be the perfect base for our new project.
You know, the thing about it being a one-owner car, it hasn't been messed with. You know, he wasn't like a hot rod kid that was bolting parts to it. You know, he just, you know, to him it was just a car, and then when it became a nice old car, he kept it a nice old car. And so we have the opportunity to start, you know, with a car that hasn't been messed with.
And it would be a shame to change that. You know, this is just a plain Jane car, so, you know, you're not changing any super rare car. It's kind of rare just because it's in such good shape and somebody took such good care of it.
I think it's pretty cool to have a car where everything is here, it's all right, it's all correct, and you can take your time to do things the right way and also work on the fun stuff instead of most of the projects that I'm used to working on that you have to do all this work before you ever get to really enjoy it. So I think our focus is really going to be on keeping the car drivable and on the road and doing these upgrades that are reasonable but also make such a drastic change without breaking the bank on parts.
The fact that it's an all original kind of plain Jane car also gives us an opportunity to make it look cooler. You know, the 14-inch steel wheels and the vinyl top, and you know, it kind of has a strippo, just working man Chevelle vibe. So we'll make it, you know, lower it a little bit, get some good wheels and good tires on it, get it to sit right and kind of, you know, make it look like it should.
So make sure you check us out this year as we'll be doing upgrades every month. You can check us out on our toolbox, Facebook, and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.